In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in Lucidchart quickly and safely. This is a simple process, but if you haven't done it before, it helps to know exactly where to click so you can update your password without any confusion. Whether you're changing it for security reasons, because you forgot your old password, or just want to keep your account protected, this guide will walk you through every step. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're signed in to your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Lucidchart keeps your account-related options, including settings for your profile and security. After clicking the profile icon, a menu should appear. From that menu, select Account Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Account Settings area. On this page, you'll see different sections related to your account. To continue, look at the left sidebar and click User Settings. This section is where Lucidchart stores personal account controls, and it's also where you'll find the option to update your password. Once you're in User Settings, scroll down until you see the Change Password section. When you find the Change Password area, you'll notice a few fields that need to be completed. Start by entering your new password. Make sure it's something secure and something you'll remember. For best results, use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. After that, re-enter the new password in the confirmation field so Lucidchart can make sure both entries match exactly. Next, you'll need to enter your current password. This step is important because it verifies that it's really you making the change. If the current password is entered correctly, Lucidchart will allow the update to go through. Once all three fields are filled out, look to the upper right corner of the page and click Save Changes. After you click Save Changes, Lucidchart will process the update and your password will be changed. At this point, your new password should be active and you can use it the next time you sign in. If you ever feel unsure, it's a good idea to sign out and sign back in afterward just to confirm everything is working properly. And that's it, you've now successfully changed your password in Lucidchart. It only takes a minute once you know where the settings are, and updating your password regularly is a smart way to keep your account secure. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.